So now let us see how can we use strings. What a string is basically, any string is basically a sequence of characters. Right? For example, I write Python. Python is also a string. It is a sequence of various characters. So in Python, how do you use a string? You can create a string by simply writing it in single quotes or in double quotes. Okay. For example, I have written, so let us create a new code. So if I simply write single is equal to maybe anything in the single quotes, say Python. So single is now written as my string. This variable is stored as a string. Maybe I can write double. So you can store it in either single quotes or double quotes. So let me write programming. So now I have two variables, single and double. So let me now see what if I print these. Let us print single, because this is a variable, I don't need quotes. Again, let us print double. Okay. Also, what if I want to print something like, say, print, and then maybe in double quotes I write hello \n and then Python. So let us run it. So single is my Python, double is same, the Python programming. Once I write anything as hello \n gives me next line, that is new line. This / is basically an escape character that you can use it at various places. So we are discussing strings, and we have seen how we can store strings as single quotes, in double quotes, and if we want to use any special symbol in our string, we have to use escape character followed by that, like the examples we just did. Okay. Also, what you can do is you can simply combine two strings using a plus symbol. Okay. So how do you combine strings? How do you concatenate the strings? By using the plus operator and repeat them using multiplication operator. For example, I have a string say AB, I have a string say GCD. Okay. What I want is, I want to write 3 times AB followed by GCD. So how will I write it? I will write 3 times of this string plus this string, and it will give me the final result. Okay. If you simply write two strings side by side in a single slash, then it will give you one combined string. Okay. Okay. But you cannot concatenate anything directly. You will have to add plus sign here. Otherwise, it will not be added. Now, another important thing that Python can do is indexing and slicing. Let us see what indexing and slicing is. Okay. First of all, Python strings are basically indexed starting from 0. For example, the first character is at index 0. Okay. We can also use negative indexing to count from right to left, where -1 represents the last character. Okay. So let us see what it is. So for example, this is a word machine learning. Okay. So in this variable, character at position 0 is this character M. Okay. Now character at position number 6. Let us count. Position number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is character E. Now if I want the last character, I will simply write variable followed by the square brackets, and because I want to count it from last, I will write -1. It will give me last character, which is G in machine learning. If I want second last character, I will write -2. Okay. This is called as indexing. Whatever character is at a given index, I can simply extract it by giving its index number. Another thing is slicing. What slicing basically means is you can extract a portion of a string. The journal form is to start a colon stop, where the starting position is included and stopping position is included. Okay. Let us see if from this same word machine learning, what I want in square brackets is everything between 0 to 2. Okay. So it will take whatever character is at position 0 at position 1 up till 2, but 2 is not included here. Okay. If I want something in between, so see here, MA. The second character is not included here. Word, this is my variable word machine learning. I want all characters from 2 to 5. That means everything starting from 2, 2, 3 and 4. Fifth is not included, which gives me CHI. Let us try with this slicing. Okay. Let us do it in Google Colab. Okay. My string, let us say text equal to say Python. Okay. Then let me print first character. What is my first character that I want is text, square brackets and the index number, which is 0. Okay. Now let us try to print last character, which is text -1. And let us try to take that slicing 0, 1, 2, which gives me colon 3. Also, this slicing is say first 3. Okay. Now there is one more way. If you simply do the same thing and you just skip this first index, like where you want to start from, it will automatically start at the starting position. Okay. So let us try printing it. What it gives? It gives Python first letter P, last letter N. First 3 are PYT, 0, 1 and 2. Third is not included. And if you don't give it the starting index, it will again give you PYT. One more thing you can do here is say print reverse. Then comma, and then maybe from text, what I want is in double brackets -1. It will give me reverse string. So I have given, you have to give me reverse string. Double colon means you will give till last. Okay. So let us try to run it. It is giving me PYTHON, everything in reverse. Now, there are some important facts about the strings. One is the strings are immutable. Every string in Python is immutable. So let us try with one example. Maybe my string greeting, let me write hello world. Okay, this is my string. Then I say greeting. I am trying to change this string. I am trying to add another character, say J, YOTI, Jyoti, plus greeting. Maybe I want it from 1 to all. Let me try to change it and print this variable greeting again. You will see it has written at the first character Jyoti hello world instead of hello world. Okay. Let us go back here and see. What we cannot do is we cannot change any single character, but we can add something too. So what if I had written, instead of this, what if I had written here, maybe greeting is equal to maybe this J letter, but the index number 0 of it. So I want to write J rating instead of greeting. So let me try to change the 0th index of greeting by letter J. But it will now show me an error because these strings are immutable. We cannot do it. We can definitely add something to it and cannot change the original variable. We are simply using it for printing. Okay. So if you write anything like this, it will throw you an error. But what you can do is you can add any character to whatever portion of your string you want and you can take it. There are some important functions in these strings. There are various important functions like that you can directly use. There are inbuilt functions like length function, len. Whatever is the name of your string, just give it here and it will give you the number of letters there in your string. For example, here, let us try not doing this. And let me write length of this greeting. Okay. So it will give me 17. Okay. So because in this, all these letters are there. Okay. Okay, now Python provides many useful string methods. For example, strip method, there is a method called as strip. If you provide any string in it, any string that you have written, it will remove extra spaces at the beginning and the end. Okay, there is another important method called lower, which converts any text to your lowercase. The function, the method upper, it converts any string to uppercase. And there is a method replace. What it does, it can substitute one piece of the text with another piece of the text. Okay. The in operator, there is one more. What is in operator, which checks whether the string that occurs inside the another string or not. For example, gr in greeting. Gr exists in greeting, so it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay.